if you can hear. Okay, that's a bad idea. Why I say that anyways. So yeah, and comment down below, should I do a video on an airplane or like and I get there in the house? Comment. And tomorrow we're getting the bathing suits. Three more days or probably 2 more days. I don't know. Probably 3 more days, I think. I think more 3 days. And yeah. If you have TikTok or anything, those social medias, I will download all that social media. Not Twitter and Facebook. I'm not supposed to have that. Supposed to be Instagram. So yeah. Please give me 10 subscribers or 60 subscribers because my boyfriend has 18. I'm so jealous. Sorry. I'm really jealous because he has like 18 and I feel like I want to get more than him. I love him. If you're watching this, Dylan, I love you so much.